I will show you how to do 858 divided by 3. If you're struggling to divide by 3, what might be a good idea is to write the 3 times table, because we're dividing by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And you can check that is correct. 858 divided by 3, we're going to use the bus stop method. Remember, 858 comes first in this calculation, so that gets under the bus shelter first, and then the 3 has to wait on the outside. Now, how many 3 is going to 8? We want to know how many of these 3s, how many 3s go into 8. So we're going to do the 3 times table. 1, 2, okay, it goes into 8 twice only. 3 times 2 is 6. How many more do we need to make an 8? What's the remainder? Remainder is 2. So now we've got 25. We want to know how many 3s go into 25. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. That would be too much. 27 would be too much. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 8 is 24. How many more do we need to make a 25? Remainder 1. 1 remaining. Remember, 3 times 8 is 24. We need 1 more to make 25. 1 more, that's the remainder, 1. Now, how many 3s go into 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly 6. Look, exactly 6. No remainder. You can always check by doing 286 times 3, just to double check. 286 times 3, inverse operation. Remember, opposite of divide. Opposite of divide is times. So I'm doing inverse operation just to check to see if my calculation is correct. 286 times 3 should give me 858. Let's check. 6 times 3 is 18, carry the 1. 8 times 3 is 24. Add 1 is 25. 2 times 3 is 6. Add the 2 is 8. 858, look, 858. So our calculation is correct. Now I'll show you 926 divided by 4. Otherwise written like this, 926 divided by 4. Remember, 926 comes first in the calculation. That gets under the bus shelter first. Right, how many 4s go into 9? Well, if you're not sure about the 4s, it's always a good idea to write the 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And always double check if this is correct. Now, how many 4s go into 9? I'm going to keep counting along this 4 times table, but I'm not allowed to go beyond 9. Okay, so that's 4, 8, 12. That's too much. 12 is too much. So that's 4, 8. That's only 2. 4 times 2 is 8. What do I need to make a 9? I need 1 remainder, 1 remaining. Okay, that's the remainder. So now I've got a 12 here. How many 4 is going to 12? 4, 8, 12. That's exactly 3. There's no remainder. So there's no remainder to write here. How many 4 is going to 6? Well, it's only just 1. I'm not going to count up to 8 because that would be too much. So 4 goes into 6 only once. 4 times 1 is 4. What do I need to make a 6? I need 2 more. That's the 2 remainder. I put the remainder here. Now, I'll reach the very end now. That little 2 looks a bit weird by itself. So I'll stick a 0 to make it into a 20. And then don't forget to put the decimal point. Now then, how many 4s go into 20? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. There's no remainder. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes into 5. No remainder to write here. If there was a remainder here, I'd have to stick a 0 with it and then carry on like that. So this is the correct answer. You can always check that this is correct by timesing 231.5 with the 4. Here we go. 5 times 4, 20. Carry the 2. Don't forget the decimal point. Now 1 times 4 is 4. Add the 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 add 1 is 9. 926. Okay, 926 there.